permutation and combination. Okay, P and C. Okay, P and C, permutation and combination. So in permutation and combination, first we study fundamental principle of counting, and there are two principles of counting. One is principle of multiplication and one is counting of addition. So firstly, fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting. So one is multiplication principle and one is principle of addition. So multiplication principle says that if you want to perform some jobs, okay, and two jobs, suppose in a class there are, let's say, 10 boys and 7 girls. 10 boys and 7 girls in a class. Okay, now a teacher wants to select one boy and one girl to represent a function. Called job J1. What is the job J1 of teacher? Job 1. Job 1 means we'll select boy or girl. Suppose selecting boy. So out of 10 boys, selection means 10C1, and 10C1 means 10 only, because NC1 is n. Then once this job is done, then how many ways girls can be selected? 7C1, so it is 7 ways. Okay, 7 ways. Now 10 ways and 7 ways. Now the question is, teacher wants to select a boy and a girl. So what is that? And. Whenever and means multiplication principle, and whenever you have choice either a boy or a girl, then addition principle will work. So if job 1 can be performed by m ways, okay, and suppose job 2 can be performed by n ways, then total number of ways, so that job 1 and job 2 can be do in succession. Okay, succession. And came, it means it is m into n ways. Okay, m into n ways. So in bracket you can write this is fundamental principle of multiplication. Okay, of counting of multiplication, Okay, right. Hey, open. Okay. Now again if I write total number of ways, so that either job 1 or job J2, either job 1 or job 2 can be performed. So I am using or, it means it is fundamental principle of addition. So it is first point, and second point, then total number of ways, such that either job 1 or job 2 can be performed equals to m plus n ways. Okay, m plus n. So in the side you can write this is fundamental principle of counting of addition. Okay, this is fundamental principle of counting of addition. So these are two basic principles, and actually these are not required. Okay, through the questions we will understand what we are doing. I just written for the namesake only. Okay, we will do more problems only. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, repetition not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Okay. Repetition is not allowed. Tell me. Repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. 4-digit numbers. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 3, 5, 7, 9? Okay. Repetition is not allowed. If you want 4-digit number, it means this is what? This is ones digit, it is ones place, it is tens place, it is hundreds, and it is thousand. Okay, it is thousand place. So you want 4-digit number, it means you will fill thousand place, and to fill the thousand place, how many ways you have? First of all, you have given digits 3, 5, 7, and 9, and out of these at the thousand place, how many ways you can fill? How many choice? 4 ways. It means this you can do by 4 ways. Okay, this you can do by 4 ways. Okay, and then this, oh, this is AI, 7 and 9, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 ways. Okay, write 4 ways, WAYS. Otherwise, you may sometimes, if 4 is available, then you might confuse. Okay, this 4 is written here. Then once this 1000 digit is filled, then again this place, how many ways you can? 3 ways, because repetition is not allowed. If repetition allowed, then here also 4 ways. So this is job J1 actually, and then job J2 is to fill this 3 ways, and this is 2 ways, and this is 1 ways. J1, J2, J3, and J4. Now what are you doing? Are you not following J1 job and J2 job? And na, because you are filling 1000 place and then. It means here multiplication principle is working. So that's why total numbers would be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So answer is 24. So 24. Correct? Same question, if repetition allowed, suppose repetition allowed, then what will happen? Repetition allowed, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 ways, 4 ways, 4 ways, and 4 ways. That time your answer is 4 to the power 4, 256. Okay, then 256 number you can generate. Note it. Okay, now how many numbers of 4 digit can be formed by digit? Okay, how many numbers of 4 digit can be formed using digits 0, 3, 5, 6, 8. Okay, 8. Repetition. Okay, first part I am solving. First part, repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. In the first question I will do other sub parts. Repetition is not allowed. Tell me, repetition not allowed. Okay, 4 digit, make 4 boxes. Make 4 boxes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then again, how many jobs you have? J1 job, J2 job, J3, and J4. So for J1, whenever you're making numbers, okay, so and 0 is involved, always start from left side, because 1000, 100, tens, and ones. So job J1 is to fill numbers here. And how many given digits you have? 0, 3, 5, 6, 8. So job J1 can be done by how many ways? 4 ways, because 0 here not allowed. 0 not allowed. If 0, it will be 3 digit number. So 0 not allowed. It means for this, how many ways? 4 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ways. Okay. And this repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. One number already filled. Okay. Here, but here 0 allowed. Na? Next 0 allowed. So suppose here 8 you have filled. You have filled here 8. For example. Then 8 not allowed here. But 3 allowed, 5 allowed, 6 allowed, 0 allowed. Again here 4 ways. And then 3 ways. And then 2 ways. So because J1 and J2 and J3 and J4. So total answer. Okay. What is your answer? 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. 108. 108. This is first part. Second part. Huh? Yen Priyanka. Huh? I believe you. I didn't count. 96. Repetition is allowed. Okay? Repetition is allowed. Then repetition is allowed. Then answer. Okay, once you try. You try first and then give answer. Everybody getting 256? Viresh? Samuel? Okay, then here 4 ways because 0 not allowed. And here 4 ways. Repetition allowed. Here repetition allowed. Here repetition allowed. It means here you can fill 0, you can fill 3. Here 0, 3, 5, 6, 8. Every number allowed. Here 0 not allowed. That's why here 4 ways because total digits 5. So here 4 ways. And this is this 100 5 ways. Okay. 5 ways. And next again 5 ways. And again 5 ways. Okay. So total J1 job, J2, J3 and J4. So total what is the answer? Answer is 4 into 5 into 5 into 5 into bus. Okay. 125 into 4. Huh? 5 into 5. 25. How much? 500 answer. 500. Okay, let me make it little bit conceptual. Now, I would say repetition not allowed. Third part. Repetition is not allowed, but number should be divisible by 5. Now, number. Okay, first one. Okay, repetition. Okay, I will write in short. Repetition not allowed. RNA. Why to write again? Repetition not allowed. Repetition allowed means I will write RA. Repetition not allowed and number must be divisible. Okay, divisible by 5. Okay, now you have these numbers. You have 0, you have 3, you have 5, you have 6, and you have 8. So remember, whenever 0 is involved, 0 separate case and remaining 1 case. 0 separate case, remaining 1 case. Now here, you want 4-digit number, so you will have this 1, 2, 3, 4 box type. Okay, 4 box types. Now, when a number is divisible by 5, if the unit digit either 0 or 5, 0 available, 5 available, correct? 0 available, 5. So either this, whenever unit digit 0, then also number is divisible by 5, or means plus. Second case again 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5. Then also a number is divisible by 5. Okay. Now fill all the remaining numbers. Okay. Because here already 0 filled, it means this job is done, and this job in only one way. Only one way, because only 0 allowed. Okay, now come to here, this how many ways? 0 already filled here, 0. Then 3, 5, 6, 8, any one is we can fill. 4 ways. Okay, then this 3 ways. Okay, and then this 2 ways. So this answer is what? Okay, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. Okay, 24, and here plus. Okay, now this one way already fixed, it means this is one way, but 5 is filled this time. 5 is filled, you have 0. Okay, here 0 not allowed. Now do this job. 0 not allowed and 5 not allowed. 5 already filled here, 0 is not allowed. It means here 3 allowed or 5 allowed, no, 3 allowed or 6 allowed or 8 allowed. It means these 3 numbers here can be filled. This job 3 ways. Once this job is done, then come to this job. Then here how many ways? Again 3 ways. Why 3 ways? Because suppose here 3 I filled, I use here 3. Let me suppose I used here 3. Okay, and now I am filling this way. Okay, you understood here 3 ways? 3 ways. Okay, now here this place 3 is not allowed. Okay, 5 is not allowed, but 0 is allowed, 6 is allowed, 8 is allowed. Again 3 ways. Okay, so do not get confused. This 3 means this digit. That's why I started writing like this, THREE. Okay, then this place 2 ways, because already again 1 filled, again 2 ways. Then what is the answer here? 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. What is this? 3 into 3? 18. 18. So what is 24 plus 18? Okay, 42. It means 42 such numbers are allowed. I just added one extra condition. Now one case you solve. Repetition allowed. Number must be divisible by 5. Again, this time I am saying repetition allowed. This case you solve. Fourth case. Repetition allowed. Number must be divisible by 5. Okay. You solve. Repetition is allowed. You do, then I will write my answer. Hmm? 2 to? Okay. Others also, let others also calculate. Answer बता रही? Others? Okay, 0 fix. देखो. First of all, you want number must be divisible by 5. It means 0 fix here, there 5 fix. You have only two cases, either this number or these numbers. Now count here. Count here. Start from this. Okay. Now this is your, this is J1 job is done. J1. How many ways you can did? One way only. Okay. Now come to this job. This. Suppose J2, J3 and J4. For the J2 job, repetition is allowed, but because this is the 1000 place, and at the 1000 place 0 not allowed. So how many digits given? 4. It means this J2 is 4 ways. Okay. Now this J3, 5 ways, 5 ways. Okay. And this 5 ways. So what is answer? 4 into 5 into 5. So first one is 4 into 5 into 5. 100. Now come to this. Ek second. Here 0 already filled na. Already 0 used. Then for J2 there is no 0. Acha, repetition not. You are correct. Repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. Yes. Correct. Now this is fixed one way. Now come to this. This 4 ways. Okay. 4 ways. 4 ways and 5 ways and 5 ways 1 ways. So again 100. So 100 plus 100, 200. Now correct. 200 ways. So correct answer is 200. Yes. Perfect answer. Perfect. Write another question. How many numbers of 4 digit can be formed using digits, and digits are 0, 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay. 0, 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Without repetition. Repetition not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. RNA. Who is this? S2? 96. If everybody getting 96 means okay. 96 symbol S2. Not getting? Fine. How many 4 digit numbers can be formed using digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 9? Repetition not allowed. RNA. Repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. See my solution. It is 4 ways because here 0 not allowed. Either 2 or 5 or 7 or 9. Okay. Either 2 or 5 or 7 or 9. Suppose you fill this number here now. Okay. Then next step, job J2, 2 is not allowed. This is just example. 2 is not allowed. But then again 0 allowed, 5 allowed, 7 allowed, 9 allowed. Then here 4 ways I counted. Okay. This job is done. Suppose I am using any other one, any number. Suppose using this time 9. Hey, what happened? I am using suppose this time 9. Then next 9 not allowed, 2 not allowed. Again 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 0. Suppose here 0 is used. Next, then 2 ways. So total answer is 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. So what is answer? 96. I think now this type you can do. Okay. So now our KCT type questions done. Now let's make level up. Level up. Okay. Level up. Okay. Clipboard. Paste. Can you also copy this slide? How many 4 digit numbers can be formed using digits 0, 0, 3, 5, 6. Okay, repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. Which are divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Try this. See, to solve this question, you should know rule of divisibility by 4. When a number is divisible by 4, if last 2 digit, do you know? A number is rule of divisibility of 4. Rule of divisibility of 4. Last 2 digit, okay? Last 2 digit are even no divisible by 4. Then complete number will be divisible by 4. This is fifth class concept. Okay, any big number is given. You want to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. You have to check last 2 digit. If last 2 digit divisible by 4, then complete number is also divisible by 4. Now you want 4 digit number? See, look here. Given numbers are 0, 3, 5. Okay, 0, 3, 5 and 6. So solve first case. This last 2 digit are divisible by 4. It means if I fill here 6, 0, correct now? 6, 0 fixed place, then number will be by 4. Okay, what should be other cases? Or means plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. 56 also, here 5, then here 6. Also, this also one of the way. And again 1, 2, 3, 4. Take any other combination. 36. Any other combination? Any other combination? 0, 3, no. Okay, no. 6, 550, no. 63, no. 65, no. Three cases. 3 cases. Now this 6, this position is fixed. This is fixed. Fixed position means only one way. Okay, this is fixed. It is fixed. Fixed means one way. This is one way, and here one way. Now think you have these two boxes only. This is your job J1, job J2. 0 already filled. Repetition not allowed. 0 already filled. It means you have here only 3 and 6. So this is two way. Okay, then wait a second. Why one way? 0 already filled here, 6 already filled here. In this case, 3 and 5. It means for this 3 allowed, 5 allowed. It means two ways. And for this, because suppose 1 is filled, either 3 or 5, then here one way. So it means 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. Only 2. This answer only 2. Plus, now come to this. 5 fixed position. Fixed position. Fixed means one way. Okay, and here one way. Okay, now this job, this here 5 is fixed, 6 is fixed. You have these only, either 0 or 3, but 0 here not allowed, because otherwise 3 digit. Then 3 here allowed, here 3, here 0. Again one way and one way. So 1 into 1 into 1. This is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, one way. Now complete this yourself. Last one. This question somewhat good. Here. Fix position, fix position, fix and fix, fix and fix. Amele here 0 not allowed. 0 not allowed. You have now only remaining 0 and 5. Here definitely 5 fix, and here 0 fix. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Total 1. So total number of is 2 plus 1 plus 1. 4 ways. Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 1. It means only 4 numbers can be generated using the digits and following the conditions. Note this question. Good question. how many whole numbers, okay, I am talking about how many whole numbers can be formed using the digits. How many whole numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay, repetition not allowed. Okay, RNA, repetition not allowed. How many whole numbers can be formed using digits? Now here I not mentioned, if you mentioned, I not mentioned, if you observe, how many 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. I said how many whole numbers. So whole numbers may be 1 digit, maybe of 2 digit. So here how many cases it will be? Suppose 1 digit also whole number. You can think 1 digit. How many 1 digit whole numbers possible? How many 1 digit? 1 digit means only one box. Only one box. 0 allowed, 2 allowed, 5 allowed, 7 allowed, 8 allowed. It means 5 ways. 5 ways means this answer is 5. But what about 2 digit? 2 digit. 2 box. 2 box. Now here 0 not allowed, but others are allowed. Repetition not allowed, keep in mind. So this is 4 ways, because you can use either 2 or 5 or 7 or 8. Then again 4. Again 4. 4 ways and 4 ways. So this is 16. Okay, 3 digit. 3 digit. Okay, then 4, then 4, and then 3. So answer is 4 into 4 into 3, 48. Okay, but we have again 4 digit also possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 4, 3, and 2. So this time how much? 96. But we have 5 digit also. 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It means 96. So total either this or this or this or this or this. Add all. You will get our answer. So final answer is 5 plus 16 plus 48 plus 96 plus 96. Tell me what is the answer. Add Madi. 161, 96, 96, this only. 261. 261 is correct. Now, before question, I will write one concept here. Consider formula. Okay. Here you can use as a result. Result is what? If there are m choices. Okay. I am writing here. If there are m choices, okay, to perform each job. To perform each job, okay, out of total n jobs, out of total n jobs, then number of permutation, then number of permutation, number of permutation equals to m to the power n, m to the power n. In fact, you will remember like this: choices, choice to the power job, okay, choice to the power job, or if there are n things, okay, n things, and things will be variable, and m people or people fixed, then number of permutations, okay. So fixed power variable. Fixed power variable, fix means m and power n. Question I will write based on that. In how many ways 10 true false questions can be answered? Can be answered. Okay. In how many ways 10 true false question can be answered? Now, you see this problem, this kind of problem, you try to relate with this. Now, you have 10 true false questions. What is your job? Choice means options. That's why you were thinking out of the box or taking. Choice means either true or false. Two choice. And jobs means to give answer for 10 problems. So this is 10. Now choice to the power jobs. So choice to 2 power 10. 2 power 10 means how much? 1, 0, 2, 4. Answer. 1, 0, 2, 4. I will give one problem, you solve. Next. In how many ways 10 distinct meaning different, 10 distinct balls can be put in 3 boxes. Okay, in 3 boxes. Number of ways. Now you have to differentiate either fixed or variable type or choice or job type. What is your job? Your job is to fill here 10 distinct balls are there. You have supposed 10 balls and giving tennis balls. I will say go and fill in the boxes. Then you have 3 box. So you have either choice 1, box 1 or box 2 or box 3. It means choice 3. It is choice and job are 10. So what is the answer? 3 raised to 10. Now can you understand why this fixed power variables? What are variables? Fixed power variables. Variables means answer 3 power 10 Bartari. You just understand. Okay, that is not official statement in books written. Be just for convenience we use this fixed power variable, invariable power variable. Box are fixed. Box are fixed, na? You have the variables. Balls are variables. Either you can take the first ball and fill in that box, or you can take 2 balls. Boxes are fixed here. So 3 power 10. Here, your jobs and your choices. 3, 10. So answer is 3 power 10. How many words with or without meaning? Okay, with or without meaning can be formed using the letters of word rows. Okay, repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. You have R, O, S and E. R, O, S and E. How many words you can make with or without meaning? Okay, using the letters of the word rows. It means there are 4 letters only. So obviously the word is going to be 4 letter word. Okay, then here all are different. It means 4 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways. So answer is what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Easy, easy. But next question here. It is first part. Second part, using the word, suppose let's call mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, provided all vowels together. Okay, all vowels together. This is the condition. All vowels together. Now, if you remember how I taught you, two vowels means then two vowels as a single word. Single word. Two vowels as a single word. Yes. So here Mother. Okay. How many vowels are there? Vowels. O is vowel. E is vowel. So these two as a different. Let's say alpha. Let's say alpha. Okay. So whenever alpha will come, that O and E together, but O and E itself they can switch their positions. So OE can be filled by 2 factorial ways. 2 factorial way means two ways. Okay, and then remaining letters, because O and E as a one letter alpha, then how many remaining letters? Alpha, M, and T, and H, and R. So you have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 5 factorial. So it is 5 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 factorial means 120. 120 into 2, 240, using the letters of the word mother, such that all the vowels together. Okay, now one question you will try. Homework. Camel. Okay, all vowels together and all vowels never together. Never together. Okay.